Hi everybody, I'm Danny Farrow with MVP Realty. If you're looking for a great home to buy, you should come and stop by my open house happening right now to 4 p.m. in Heritage Bay in the beautiful sunny Naples, Florida. This beautiful home has 2 bedrooms plus den, 2 bathrooms, has a great clubhouse. It includes the gold membership. Here you are, this is the kitchen, my friends. This is the living room. Great open space area. And right here you'll see the den. Here we are at the master bedroom. Here's the master bathroom. If you need the address or more details to check out this beautiful property, click on the link below, or feel free to call or text me 239-571-9528 or email me DannySellsParadise@gmail.com. Have a great day. I'll see you later, my friends.